My name is Latonia Barrett. I am a 15-year-old mother from Golden Avenue, Kingston, 6. On May 16, 2023, me and my 10-month-old baby Angelique Barrett went missing. I was wearing a white floral dress and my baby was wearing a jeans dress. Please, if anyone has seen me or my baby, contact the Papine police station or the nearest police station.
My name is Allison Lang. I am a 14-year-old mother from Hopeview Avenue, Linstead. Me and my 2-month-old daughter, Akeisha Carr, have been missing since Sunday, February 28, 2021 at about 2 p.m. We were last seen at home. If you have any information about us, you can still contact the nearest police.
My name is Tashika Hartley. I am a 15-year-old mother from Seabright Avenue, Kingston 11. Me and my 8-month-old daughter, Kimoya Grant, have been missing since Tuesday, October 31st, 2023 at about 8:15 p.m. I was last seen wearing a white blouse and red shorts. Please, if you know something, contact the nearest police station.
My name is Kimisha Simith. I am 40 years old. Me and my 11-year-old son, Shamar Williams, have been missing since Sunday, February 07, 2021. We are both from Yellow Sea Drive, Seaview Gardens, Kingston 11. We were last seen at home at about 1 p.m. I was wearing a blue skirt and pink t-shirt, while Shamar was wearing a blue shorts and white marina. If you know anything about our disappearance, please contact the police.